Hello and welcome to my channel KAM Marketing. This is the 7th video series of my course KAM Affiliate Mastery, which is the free course designed for everyone who want to make money online from affiliate marketing. Today I will discuss about WordPress and I will give you intro about WordPress. In the last video I have shown you how to set up your WordPress, and after 24 hours nearly my website is now live, though it has taken a lot of time. But in previous I have set up all my website, they have not taken more than 1 or 2 hours, but that's how they've also given you the time about 24 hours to 28 hours. So don't worry if it couldn't get live soon, you have to wait about 24 to 28 hours. This is my website laddersparadise.com, and you are seeing here content, which is by default content on a theme. I haven't done anything if there is a content shown on your website, so don't worry. This is the content that is already present in a theme. If you want to go to your back office WordPress, type WordPress wp-admin and click and enter. So within a few seconds I will be in my back office. If you want to go towards your back office, just type your website /wp-admin. This is the back office, and you are seeing different menus on the left hand side of your screen. And with respect to menus, you are seeing here post, and from here you can add about your content or post. Media, you can add your videos, images. At the start you should know that for pages, these are more permanent part of our page, and post, and these are not as permanent as these pages are. So in comment section we will manage all of our comments, we will add them, we will reply them, and even delete the spam. So appearance, in appearance section we will manage theme, customize our website, add widgets, control menus. This is our theme, Omega Child theme, and theme editor. Plugins, in plugin section we can add, delete, manage all of our plugins here. Users, if with the passage of time we create more users, so this is their control panel, users control panel. In tools we can import, export and our website data, and in settings we can edit our writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks and privacy. So first we move to our posts. And this is our sample post, and click on trash as we don't want this obsolete post, so click trash and this post will get deleted. So if you want to permanently delete it, move to trash and click delete permanently. This post will be permanently deleted. Same on goes to pages, and privacy policy, click trash and trash sample page, click on trash, delete permanently. So now move to our plugin section. So I have added 3 plugins all in one SEO pack: classic editor and image optimizer. So you need to add these 3 plugins. Just go to add new and first write all in one SEO pack. So this is all in one SEO pack. Click on install now. As I have already installed, so I am not seeing here install now. So you will see here install now. Click on install now button, just like these plugins. So click on install now button, so it will be added here. After installation, click on activate. So please make sure your plugin should be created by Michael Torbert. Click on activate. So this plugin has been activated. Again, move to install plugins. Classic, basically all in one SEO pack improves our website SEO. So I will tell you how to do setting with the plugin, but the main purpose of this plugin is to improve SEO of our website. If you move to SEO settings, this plugin will also show here if you installed it. So move to SEO settings. And I generally prefer to do not change anything, and I just leave it by default, but you can make one or two changes like use keywords. You can enable it. One more setting, just home title, like Ladders Paradise my website is. So just type Ladders Paradise, and you can further write all about. So this is just my title. So make sure your title should be maximum of 57 characteristic. So just write your title Ladders Paradise and dash, and just give extra information about in 3 to 4 words. And in home description, so just wait, I will write it down. So I have written a home title and home description. So after writing it, make sure your home description shouldn't exceed 160 characteristics. So after writing it, click on update options. So what it does, home title, it is a home title of our home page settings. So once our website get indexed in the search engine, so if anyone search our website like our home page, then the Google shows result about our website. So the result, the people who search in the search engine will see our home title, that, and our description, that. I hope you get the idea. After doing this, move to plugins again. Second plugin you need to install, Classic Editor. So just copy this plugin and click on add new. So as you are not seeing this plugin, so just I am guiding you how you can install. Write Classic Editor, and please make sure it is from the WordPress contributors, Classic Editors, and install now. You will be seeing here install now button. Click on install now. It will be added here, and you need to activate this plugin. I have already activated. The third plugin is EWWW Image Optimizer. Also add this plugins from the plugins directory. So again, just paste it here, this EWW Image Optimizer by exactly www. So just install it and click on activate. It will be activated. So you have now 3 plugins and 3 are installed and activated. So make sure your plugins are activated. So after installing plugins, move to settings, click on general, So you need to add site title, Lattice Paradise, tagline. So just enter the tagline and use the same tagline I have written in all-in-one SEO. Don't worry, you can change those taglines and title and description later on. Just write it at the start. And this is your email ID. Just click on save changes. Do not do anything else. You can change it as per your likes. Move to writing and uncategorized default editors. Just leave it. Allow user to switch editor and no. Move to reading. Blog pages show at most and full text. Just at the start, I am for each article in the feed show, I am just click on summary. Now click on discussion. I don't think you need to change anything here. Just make sure there is a check on both of this. Comments must be manually approved and comment author must have a previous approved comment. Now move to permalinks. And in permalinks, click on custom structure and here post name. What it does, it actually create our permalink, your home page and your post name. So whatever title you will write for your post, it will be your permalink. These types of permalink are not user search engine friendly, like plan, day and time, as you are seeing date and time and then sample post. These are not working right now. So just you need to click on custom structure and select post name. Save changes. And that's all. You have made the preliminary setting in the WordPress and your WordPress is now fully optimized. If you want to go towards your website, you can move from here, visit site, and now you can see that there are no posts and pages out there, as we have deleted all those things. So if you want to see these recent comments, archive, categories, so just go to appearance, widgets. So you are seeing search. This is your search. You are seeing recent post is not here. Just delete recent post. Click on delete. And recent comments. Recent comment is showing here. Archive is showing here. And categories is showing here. Just if you do not want to show anything, click on that and delete it. So if you want to show here, so just drag it and place it wherever you want. You can move upward or downward. So click done. Again it will be shown there. If you want to add theme, go to appearance, themes, and I am using Omega theme. So you can also search for other themes, like add new theme, and here you will see featured popular latest favorite themes. So search for theme that is simple, and you can even change your theme later on, but at start just take a simple theme. Don't go for more complex and such kind of a themes. So I am happy with the Omega. You can search for your themes library and find the right theme for your website. So that's all for today. Thank you.